Title: Ubisoft and Activision Blizzard's deal for cloud gaming rights, explained. Content as follows. Microsoft has completed its acquisition of Activision Blizzard, granting Ubisoft cloud streaming rights for all current and future Activision Blizzard games for the next 15 years. This was a crucial concession that helped secure approval from UK regulators. Ubisoft will now control where Activision Blizzard games appear on cloud gaming services, except in EU countries and in cases where Microsoft has pre-existing cloud gaming deals. In the European Economic Area, EEA users will receive a free license to stream Activision Blizzard games they have purchased on any cloud gaming service of their choice. Outside the EEA, Ubisoft will decide which services receive cloud streaming rights for these games. While Ubisoft could theoretically deny Microsoft a license for future Activision Blizzard games, this is highly unlikely. Microsoft will need to pay a wholesale arrangement fee to license these games for its cloud services. The deal also means Activision Blizzard games will be available on Ubisoft Plus, Ubisoft's game subscription service. The licenses are perpetual, so Ubisoft will retain the rights to provide these games globally. Outside the EEA, even after the 15-year deal expires,